check demo. So I have already created one demo to demonstrate the use of CoreLocation Framework and MapKit Framework. So I've created this view controller class. Okay, so in this view controller class, to use this both framework, I imported MapKit and CoreLocation Framework. Okay, so first of all, we will check how we can use the CoreLocation Framework into the IaaS application. Okay, so in earlier discussion, we already discussed that to get or start or stop the location related activities into the application, we need to create object for CL location manager. Okay, so what I did here, that I have created one lazy object, lazy variable object for CL location manager. Okay, so in this particular while creating this particular CL location manager object, I define the distance filter as a 10. Okay, so what is the distance filter? Basically it is specify the minimum update distance into the meter. Means whenever the user change his location by the 10 meter, it will update the user location into the CL location manager. Okay, and also I have defined the desired accuracy. So in LocationKit framework, we have a number of accuracy parameters, just like best for navigation, best accuracy, nearest to 10 meter, 100 meters, kilometer, 3 meters. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you can define the accuracy for user location. So I have defined as a best. Okay, and while defining the accuracy, we need to take care that if we are not compromising with accuracy, and we defining the as a best accuracy, so it will consume the battery power more, because it will request and fetch the user location for best accuracy. That means the number of times. Okay, so it is a battery consumable. So that we need to take care while designing, while developing the application. Okay, so after creating this location object, we need to set up this location manager. Okay, so I've created this private method to set up the location manager. So in earlier discussion, we discussed about the protocol, that is the CL location manager delegate, in which we have the some methods which receive the events related to the location manager object. Okay, so below I have created one extension for the this view controller, in which I define the CL location manager delegate and some delegate method of CL location manager delegate. So this delegate method we will discuss later. Okay, so to confirm this particular protocol, we need to confirm this protocol by using this delegate. So I have confirmed here the protocol. Okay, for CL location manager, and after that we have previously discussed, we need to authorize, means we need to ask the user to give the permission to access their location. Okay, so for that, what we need to call that, we need to call these two methods. Okay, so request when in use for authorization, and request always authorization. So I have called both method here. So what is the reflection of that particular calling this request method, that I will show whenever we run this particular application into the our simulator device. Okay, so that I will show later. Okay, so after setting the this particular location manager, okay, once we request for authorization, it will show the authentication alert for the user, and depending upon the user response or decision, uh, it will call this deed chain authorization delegate method. Okay, so what is this deed chain authorization delegate method? Means whenever a user change the authorization for the location manager, this particular method get called. Okay, so we have already discussed in the presentation that the that authorization status is stored in form of the enum. Okay, that is a CL authorization status. Okay, so in CL location manager, we already have this status defined. Okay, like not determined, restricted, denied, authorization always, authorized when in use. So what do you mean by the not determined? Means whenever the user had not made any choice, okay, regarding to this application, then the status is not determined. Okay, and what is the restricted? If this application is not authorized for a user location. Okay, means whenever we change or restrict the application to not use the location service, then it will show the restricted mode. Okay, denied means if user explicitly denied the authorization for this particular application, then it will say it as a denied. Authorized always means when a user granted the authorization, uh, then that particular application use the location service all time. Okay, means whenever the application it is into the background or foreground. Okay, and authorized when in use means whenever we set this particular status. Okay, so that means that that user granted authorize to their to fetch their location while using the particular application. Okay, so so these two, it is a positive condition status to fetch the user location, so that I added condition here. Okay, so after user allow for authorization whenever using the app, and whenever or always using the app, then I'm calling this location manager start updating location method. So after calling this start updation location method, um, CoreLocation fetch the user location. Okay, and uh, after fetching the user location, that location will get into the deed update location delegate method, which is a location manager delegate method. So in this delegated method, we will receive the array of the CL locations. Okay, so what is the CL location? At already we have discussed. CL location CL location, it is class which represents the latitude, longitude, and the course of information of the system. Okay, with respect to the particular location, and we receive the array of the CL location. So we are picking the first object of that particular CL location array. Okay, first means the latest location. Okay, so after getting location, uh, what uh, what we are doing that we are looking for the name of that particular location. Okay, so for that I have created this particular method into the CL location extension. Okay, so in this method I have created this callback method. Okay, in which what I am doing that I am getting the place mark. Place mark means the several information about the location, just like a name, address, and all. Okay, I'm getting this place mark information for that particular location by using the CL geocoder class. Okay, by using CL geocoder, I am fetching that place mark. Okay, after fetching the place mark, I am returning this particular place mark, that name of that particular place mark. Okay, and I am receiving this particular place mark here, and after receiving this place mark, I am calling this method update location on the map method. In this method, what I am doing, that I am receiving the location of the location of the user, means location, user location, and title of that particular location. Okay, so to show the user location on to the application, uh, we have already discussed that we are using the MK point annotation. Okay, so before going to the MK point annotation, uh, we will discuss the setup for map. Okay, means we already set up with the location manager. Now we will check the how to set up the map. Okay, so similarly, in for MK map view, we have the protocol, okay, that I have defined below, that is MK map view delegate. Okay, in which I define one delegate method, that is a did update user location. Means whenever the user location update to the map, it will get called and it will directly print the user locations. Okay, so that I have confirmed by using this delegate. Okay, then I define the map type. Map type means I have defined as a standard. So so location kit already provide the number of map type, like a standard, satellite, hybrid, satellite flyover, hybrid flyover, then military standard. So you can use or switch to your map type depending upon your requirement. Then show compass I have set as a true, and I have to show the compass. Then show scale, that I have set as a true to show the scale. Okay, so here I have set up the map. Okay, so let's move to the update location on the map function. So we already we have already set up the location manager and set up the map. Okay, so once we authenticate and we receive the user current location into the did update location method, then we are getting the name of that particular location from this geocoder methods. Okay, after getting this name, we are passing this location and title into this particular method. So what we have to do, that we have to show the annotations onto the map that will represent the user current location. Okay, so what I created, that I created one MK point annotation. Okay, so in MapKit, we already discussed that the annotations. Okay,